Well, I would like to take this opportunity to thank all my constituents, especially my district in Northern Samar, the 2nd district, and more particularly my hometown in Lauang, for giving me a tremendous confidence and support for my last term to represent that district in the House of Representatives. Sa kanila lahat, nagpapasalamat ako sa, I will say it in our own dialect. Dako nga salamat sa aton mga igkasinortihanon, labi na gud ang taga-segundo distrito sa iyo paghatag kumpiyansa sa iyo inubuson nga congressman, si Congressman Emil Ong. Laon minala niyo dadayon ko ang akon mga plataforma nga hinaot kunta hingadto sing kaupayan ang atong distrito ug ang atong probinsya. Again, sa iyo nga tanan, dako nga salamat. Thank you very much to all my constituency that give me a tremendous support for my last term in Congress. Alam, mabuti na nanong mo yan dahil ang marami akong mga project na hindi pa natatapos, especially on the cementing of our highways and the construction of bridges. Yung highways, I'm happy to report, halos masimento ko na yung from Lauang, Palapag, Gamay, Lapinig Road, except mga 3 kilometers. Pag masimento ko na yan, ang kailangan ko yung tulay or bridge. Dahil sayang naman yung highways pag hindi makonect ng dalawang bridge na kailangan makonect doon sa highway. And I'm referring to the bridge in Kalumutan connecting to Pangpang and the bridge connecting Lauang Island to the mainland of Talisay. Yung dalawa na yan na bridge ay napaka-importante para naman ma-utilize 100% yung highways na napasiminto ni Congressman Ong. Yun o ang priority ko. At aside from that, of course, the airport. Ewan ko kung nabasa mo, Alan, nung pumunta, nagbisita si President Noynoy Aquino sa Katarman during the election, he was not very happy on the condition of our airport. For the public information, our airport is the most dangerous airport in the whole country. Why I'm saying it's the most dangerous airport? Because where can you find an airport which is bounded by 2 highways? Dalawang highway ang nagtatraverse sa airport namin. Kaya every time a plane will arrive, the 2 highways will be closed.